The Indian Commercial Pilots Association has written to Prime Minister Manmohan Singh asking him to intervene immediately in the AI strike that has, of course, entered its seventh day today. Joining me live for more on that is Ashish. Ashish, can you give us details of this letter that has been written?
Well, Nipur, Indian Commercial Pilot Association, that's a body of around 850 pilots from erstwhile Indian Airlines and Air India have decided to write a letter to Prime Minister. In fact, the letter is being dispatched to PMO as of now I'm speaking to you. Remember, on 26th of April, on the first day of the strike, the same organization, association ICPA, had written a letter to Dr. Prime Minister Singh, but the subject of that letter was different. That was written requesting Prime Minister to inquire into the management scams and Air India losses, and they had requested Prime Minister to request CBI to intervene into the initiate an inquiry by CBI into Air India management scams as claimed by ICPA pilots. But the letter they are writing today to the Dr. Manmohan Singh, the subject of this letter is that to intervene into the matter. Remember that within a couple of hours time from now, the Delhi Divisional High Court bench will start hearing on the contempt of court notice initiated by the Air India management against the ICPA pilots. So keeping that in mind, it looks like it's slightly a late move by pilots to write Prime Minister to intervene into the matter and try to solve the deadlock between ICPA pilots and Air India management. But they are writing a letter to Prime Minister which will be dispatched to the PMO within 15 to 20 minutes from now. Nupur?
Right. Thanks very much for that quick update. Now, also with me is Jagori. Jagori, it is a crucial day for both the AI management and the ICPA. What sort of action are you expecting?
Right, today can be a big day as the Delhi High Court resumes the hearing on the contempt to court proceedings against three ICPA members, President A.S. Bindra, General Secretary Rishabh Kapoor and Regional Secretary Amitesh Ahuja. Now, yesterday the Delhi High Court had come down heavily upon both the management and the pilots, scolding them for not being able to come on a middle ground. The High Court also went on to say that both the management and the pilots have lost out on an opportunity to come to a consensus. Now, while the Delhi High Court remains sympathetic to the cause of the striking pilots, they have directed them that this strike is not good, it is not in public interest. So whatever may be the reason, it is a contempt to court. So the three ICPA members would have to answer before the High Court later today. But the High Court has also instructed the management to look into the demands, the pay parity demands, as soon as as soon as ICPA members go back to their offices. Also, they have asked the management to reinstate the suspended ICPA members. So really, the High Court proceedings would be watched out carefully by the management and the ICPA members. It can be, a decider in the stalemate that has been going on for the last 1 week might come today. One will have to watch out what the High Court has to say.